Do you have elderly travelers? I figured I'd touch today on something that a lot of families are dealing with right now, and there's not a lot of clear information about out there, and that is how to get wheelchair assistance for either your elderly parents who are traveling or just anybody with mobility challenges at the moment. And yes, your elderly parents can most definitely travel without you there every step of the way. So let's start with the basics. Airport wheelchair assistance is not just a push from the lobby to security. It's a full-service escort from the curb to the ticket desk, through security, to the gate, onto the plane, and again when they land. You're basically assigning them a personal airport guide. WCHR, wheelchair to the ramp. Good for seniors who can walk short distances, but not across the whole terminal. WCHS, wheelchair to the steps, for anyone who can't climb stairs. WCHC, the big one, wheelchair to seat. If they cannot safely walk down the jet bridge or onto the airplane, request WCHC. This is the one most people need and don't know to ask for. Now, how do you get all this set up? Easy. You add it to their airline booking under special services. But, and this is the part most people miss, you should also call the airline's disability desk. Not the main customer service line. The disability desk has way more control and can see things the regular agents can't. Just say, both passengers need full wheelchair assistance. WCHC, gate to gate. Please mark that they are a fall risk and have short connections. Next, TSA Cares. If the idea of security stresses your parent out, the program is a game changer. Call 72 hours before the flight, and TSA assigns a passenger support specialist who actually meets them at the security checkpoint and stays with them until they're through. It's free, and honestly, I wish more people would use it. Connections are where most people panic. Can my mom make a 50-minute layover? With wheelchair assistance, the answer is usually yes, even at a big airport. They meet your parent at the aircraft door, they know the next gate already, and they take them through staff shortcuts and elevators. These teams are fast. They do this all day long. But you still want this note added. Passenger has a short connection. Please prioritize wheelchair escort at arrival. Real quick, tipping. It's optional, but absolutely appreciated. $5 to $10 for short distances, $15 or $20 for a longer haul, or if you're tipping for 2 people. I like to pre-pack a little envelope for my in-laws so they don't have to fumble with bills. And this is something I created for them. A small travel card they can hand to any staff member. It says, passenger requires full wheelchair assistance, WCHC, fall risk, needs escort from curb to seat and seat to curb. It helps when they're nervous or overwhelmed. So yes, your elderly parents can absolutely travel independently. Every airport has these systems in place. You just need to know what to ask for.